So on this trick, I'll be using 3 cards. Okay? 3 cards. This is the money card. You have to follow the ace of spades. Okay? 3 cards, ace of spades, and 2 king of hearts. Okay? 2. Okay? You understand? Okay. Now, you have to follow where I will put the ace of spade. Okay? Carlo, where's the ace of spade? In the middle? Yes. Watch. If I do it like this, 1, 2, 3, I turn, 1, 2, 3. Now, the question is, where is the ace of spades? Here, here, or here? Here?
Yeah.
Okay. I show you. King. I show you the top card. King. In the... No, also king, right? Also king. Wait. If I shake it like this, the ace goes back to the bottom. Okay? If this is the ace, what is the top card?
King hearts.
No, also an ace. The middle card is also an ace.
Oh?
Yes? Now, let's do a recap. I'm only using 3 cards. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay? What card is this? King of Hearts. What card is this?
King ace. Ace.
Ace of Spades. What card is this?
King heart. King heart.
Are you sure?
Sure.
This one?
Yeah.
Ikaw.
King hearts.
Watch this. This is my prediction for tonight's game. Team Asia will win Reyes Cup.
Very good.